Good morning to all. Uh, so far we have completed the turning and milling operation using Mastercam 2021. Today we will see the EDM, wire cut EDM process. For that, first we have to declare the unit. Go to Files, Configuration, and then select metric input, give OK. Say right side bottom corner of the screen we will get metric input, and then second step will be press F9. We will get a cross hair line 1, 2, 3, 4 quadrants. Okay, so for this lathe profile, the second quadrant only we are creating the profile. For wire cut EDM and the milling operation, directly we will go into the wireframe and then creating the profiles. Okay, now go to wireframe, select a rectangle option, and then select anchor to center, so that we are taking middle reference, and then enter the X value and Y value for that spanner portion. Already we know the values. 117 is length and 40 mm is breadth. Okay, so X and Y value we are entering, we will get a rectangular portion. Okay, so this is nothing but boundary. And then go to circle option. Say left side we need to create 2 circles and right side 2 circles. For that, select circle option. Simply enter the coordinate value as minus 42, 0. That is for left side. Okay, and then click on the screen. We will get a rough circle, and then enter the radius as 5. Say left side it is 5. And then apply icon. The color will be changing now. Once again you keep the mouse at the middle and draw a rough circle. And then enter the value as 12.5. Say second circle, and then give apply button. Say 2 circles have been created. Same procedure for right side also. The center point will be plus 42, 0. Enter the value and then enter the radius as 6. Say left side it is 5 and right side it is 6. You just make it 6. In the diagram it is 5 mm only both sides. Okay, normally the spanner both end will not be equal. Okay, you change it to 6 right side, and then one more circle will be created having 12.5 mm radius. Now we are getting 2 circles on each side. Okay, so 5 mm, 12.5, 6 mm, 12.5. Now we are going to create slanting lines from the middle point. Okay, or before that we have to draw that parallel lines. Okay, we need to create a center line. Say top side it is 6 mm, bottom side it is 6 mm. So totally 12 mm parallel line we are going to draw. For that go to transform option, select entity. How much distance we are going to offset, that we have to declare here. The distance dialog box 6 mm. The top side 1 is there, number 1. That is one time we are offsetting. Okay, so select both sides, top side as well as the bottom side. Now we are getting 2 parallel lines. Clear? And then draw slanting lines 2 sides. Okay, from the center point of the circle you just draw a rough line without giving any dimensions, like this. Click at middle, draw a rough line, and then enter the angle as 200 left side, right side it is 20 degree. Okay, from the right we are calculating 0, 90, 180 and then 200. That is for left side. Okay, and give apply icon. Go to right side, draw a slanting line roughly, enter the angle as 20 degree, and then apply icon. The color will be changing now. Say now two slanting lines have been created, and then finally give OK. So these two lines also to be offsetted for a distance of 5 mm left side and 6 mm right side. Okay, so that we will get a parallel lines. Go to transform, entity, enter the distance of the offset. Okay, so left side it is 5 mm. The inner circle radius is 5 mm, so we can give 5 mm offset value. Right side make it 6, and then click at the middle. We will get two parallel lines, and then give OK. Okay, now we are getting slanting lines on both ends. Next, so many unwanted lines are there, so that should be removed. Okay, for that go to wireframe, select divide option, keep the mouse the particular entities. Okay, the particular entity will be a dotted line, and then you just click, go on deleting the unwanted lines. If the line is not visible, zoom that portion and then delete. Okay, so while deleting the entities, no lines, extra lines should be there. Okay, so 100% perfectly we have to trim, so that while selecting the chain, issue will not come. Okay, now right side we are deleting the entities. Suppose the whole thing is selected, you zoom that portion. Okay, carefully you keep the mouse and then carefully trim. Say here small line is there, zoom that portion and then trim. Now we will get a proper shape. Okay, say almost trimming operation is over. Next, we are going to draw a fillet at 4 corners. Okay, say suppose wrongly we have deleted some portions. You put Control Z. Okay, Control Z, Control Z, so that once again we will get the profile, and then carefully trim the unwanted portion. Okay, now we are getting the spanner profile, and then go to view option, give fit to screen. The profile is within the screen now, and then we need to create a fillet at 4 corners. For that, go to wireframe, select fillet entities, and then enter the radius as 4 left side in the dialog box, and then select 2 entities, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So automatically we will get a radius at 4 corners. Now the profile is over, and then say we have 5 options. Say under which machine we are going to perform this operation, that we have to declare. Say mill, lathe, router, wire cut EDM, router, design. So we are selecting wire cut EDM, and then giving program number and a block number. Okay, and go to stock setup, select all entities. Automatically X value, Y value will get, and then thickness only 6 mm, 6 mm both side we have to enter. Okay, so that the profile will be at the bottom. Say for wire cut EDM, we need 2 points, thread point and cut points. For that we have to create 2 points. Go to point position under wireframe. First one is a thread point. Through that point only the wire is entering into the profile. That we have marked. Give apply icon, and then go to cut parameters. One more point we have to, that scissor like point is nothing but a cut point. Okay, the above one is nothing but a thread point, and then select wire path. Say once again, I will tell. Say after giving them points, 2 points, thread and cut points, go to wire path, select contour. First select point selection and then select the thread point, and then go to chain option, select one chain, change the direction of the arrow mark, and then same time we have to click one more point, we will get red, and then once again go with the plus mark and then click at cut point. Okay, so that a thread point and a cut point, through that cut point the wire is coming out, that is the point. Okay, the last option will be UV trim plane and UV height, both will be 6 mm. Okay, nothing but thickness of the blank. Here it is a wire diameter is 0.2 mm. We are using a brass wire 0.2 mm, that we have to enter, and the radius also we have to enter. This is nothing but compensation is right. Okay, that tool is moving in the anti-clockwise direction, automatically the tool position will be right. So right compensation. Okay, so these parameters we have to enter, and then now we are getting the simulation line. Say how the cutter is moving, that we have seen. Now go to verify and then say which portion we want to keep. For that go to verify option, select remove chips. Say once again go back, comfortably keep the blank, and then put it in isometric view. Start. Say after simulation is over, we have to separate the part. Okay, for that remove chips option to be selected. Say above verify option is there, you select that part, select remove chips, and then outside of the profile we have to click, so that that inner profile, spanner profile will be on the screen. Okay, so that portion only we need. Suppose wrongly we have selected, inside we have selected, clicked on the profile, that portion will be removed, scrap will be visible. Okay, so this is the way to do the wire cut EDM operation. Say this is nothing but red color is nothing but a wire holder. Okay, so top side the wire is there, through the hole the wire is coming into the workpiece, and bottom side another side that wire is collecting. Okay, say brass wire 0.2 mm we are using for wire cut EDM. Once again go with remove chips.